separate clouds of ash fused into a massive column of smoke. Winds drove it across the country, darkening the sky for hundreds of miles.
During the eruption of all this material, that's when the caldera would have started forming.
In a final massive display of nature's fury, hundreds of square miles of mountain dropped thousands of feet into the pit of roiling magma.
The Gallatin Range and the Madison Range and the Mount Washburn Range to the north continued somewhere into the Yellowstone region. These mountain ranges were destroyed. Now, when I say destroyed, I don't mean they were blown to smithereens into the atmosphere. Much of it just fell back into the magmatic system, just fell back into the cauldron, if you wish, up the caldera itself.
We're talking about mountains that might be 12,000 feet high that are now, the ground surface is on the order of 8,000 to 9,000 feet high. So 3,000 foot of mountain that is no longer there.
Finally, after perhaps weeks of constant activity, the Yellowstone volcano subsided. But the devastation was far from over. A global disaster was about to begin. 2.5 trillion tons of sterile volcanic ash drifted with the winds and buried 2,000 square miles of the North American plains, destroying much of the continent's plant life.
The volcanic ash that's ejected high up into the atmosphere and then falls many, many miles away, that goes as far as Louisiana and some of the states along the Mississippi River. So quite an ash cloud.
The lighter particles remained in the air for more than a year,